Hello everybody, today we're going to be making Makhshi, which is stuffed zucchini, except this time it's served in a yogurt sauce, basically. Not to be confused with the sauce used in mansaf. It's different. I thought it was the same, but it's not, apparently. So first you're going to start off with preparing your zucchinis. Just chop off the top and the bottom. That one's really small. And then you're going to core them. My mom uses this tool. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I bet if you just look up zucchini or cucumber core tool, you'll find it online. I guess you could also do it with a knife, but that would be a little bit inefficient and the knife would have to be really small. So yeah, I would say you should invest because this is a really yummy dish. And then you're going to add olive oil to a pan, and you're going to start, not frying, but just cooking the zucchinis a little bit around the sides just to get them a little bit brown. Then you're going to keep the same pot with the olive oil, and you're going to add some chopped onion alongside with 2 pounds of ground beef. Mix that around, make sure all the meat gets cooked and brown and not raw. Then you're going to add some spices, so 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of 7 spices seasoning. And then you're going to finish off that section with 1 cup of pine nuts. And now we're going to move on to assembly. So obviously take the meat and all garlic and that whole thing off the heat, and just you're going to stuff all of your zucchini with it. So don't fill it to the brim, don't fill it to the very, very top, but leave a little bit of space, maybe like a knuckle's worth of space in between from the top and where you finish the layer of the meat. Next, we're going to move on to that yogurt sauce. So first you're going to add 4 cups of yogurt to a strainer and strain that into a pot. And then you're going to add 4 cups of cold water. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then you're going to use a hand mixer or blender or whatever you want to call that, and just incorporate all of the yogurt into the water. Then you're going to put that onto the heat and stir it continuously so that it's not burning. And you're going to add salt. So just keep mixing it. And then you're going to add, this is all on low heat, by the way. And then you're going to add the zucchinis and coat them a little bit in the yogurt. And then that's basically it. We'll link a video in the top right corner of the rice that you usually serve this with, but it's ready to go, and we hope you enjoy. Happy makhshing! Bye!